everyone! Today, you will find out how to analyze test coverage to identify gaps in testing. All the examples we will discuss in this video will be shown on the example of Aqua, a test management tool with reusable test cases and AI features to streamline your project's testing process. Consider Aqua if these features meet your needs. Check out the link below for more details. Step 1. Define the scope of requirements and those that are already covered. We need to have a requirement which will be the base of our analysis. If we have any test case related to this requirement, it will show up in the requirement coverage column, indicating that this requirement is covered. Under the Covered by Test Cases column, we can see which specific test cases are covering this requirement. Also, we can group by these attributes and see the number of requirements covered and those that are not yet covered. Step 2. Create and add uncovered test cases. Open your requirement and create a test case to cover it. You can do it manually or better generate it with AI. Just use the initial description or add some details for AI to be more precise. Also, if you have a complex requirement or want to have different test cases, Aqua can create a comprehensive set of test cases with multiple types. When the test case is created, it is automatically linked to your requirement. Step 3. Track dependencies. Another way to analyze requirement coverage is to study the connections under the requirement. Analyze this data from the dependencies view, or navigate to dependent items from the navigation tab. For instance, if dependent test cases for a requirement need to be found, navigate to the test cases covering it and see their last execution status and additional information. Step 4. Use requirement coverage as a metric. For comprehensive analysis, use the report template called Requirement Coverage. According to the module, run this report for specific areas like ordering, payment, or account, or for the entire project. To analyze details about a specific module, start the report and view the chart showing the statistics of the coverage, such as how many requirements are covered, the status of the test cases, and their last execution results. The report shows the list of requirements, their IDs, names, statuses, and coverage details, including which test cases cover each requirement and their last execution status. If you're looking for ways to supercharge your testing process, we've got just the thing for you. Aqua will always offer new and innovative solutions, allowing you to reduce the time spent on routine testing tasks by up to 70% and giving you the space to focus on what's really important. Get started with your account today and see for yourself.